In this video, I'll show you how to create a ChatGPT account, the easiest way to sign up, and a few important things to know if the sign-up process gives you trouble. First, here's something useful to know. OpenAI says ChatGPT is free to use, and you can now even try it at http://chatgpt.com before creating an account. That means you can test ChatGPT first, but if you want your own saved chats, settings, and account access, you should create an account. To get started, go to ChatGPT and choose the Sign Up option. From there, follow the on-screen steps to create your account. In general, you'll be asked to continue with an available sign-in method, such as email or a supported social login, depending on what is offered in your region and on your device. OpenAI's Help Center also notes that account creation and login flow through the ChatGPT homepage and sign-in system. One of the most important tips is to remember which sign-up method you used. OpenAI says that if you originally signed up with Google, Microsoft, or Apple, you need to keep using that same method when you log in later. A lot of people think their account was not created properly when the real issue is just using the wrong login method afterward. If you ever see a message like, "This user already exists," OpenAI says that usually means you already began sign up before, or the account is already there. In that case, don't keep trying to register again. Instead, go back and log in using the original method you used during sign-up. If the sign-up or login page is not working properly, OpenAI recommends a few simple fixes. Clear your browser cache and cookies. Try an incognito or private window. Use a different browser or device, and check whether extensions or VPNs are interfering. Those steps solve a lot of common account creation problems. After your account is ready, you can start chatting right away. OpenAI says you can open ChatGPT, type what you need in the message box, and begin your first conversation. You can also start a new chat anytime from the interface. So the easiest way to create a ChatGPT account is simple. Go to ChatGPT, click Sign Up, complete the steps using your preferred login method, remember that method for future logins, and use basic browser troubleshooting if anything goes wrong. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.